Hundreds of thousands have been sent to prisons, and an estimated 1.8 million people have been sent to internment camps where they endure unimaginable terror in the form of beatings, electric shocks, solitary confinement, deprivation of food, water, and sleep, exposure to extreme cold, and the abusive use of restraints, including torture tools like tiger chairs. Former detainees reported having their legs shackled during part of their time in detention, sometimes for up to a year.
I could barely walk. It was on 24/7. Every week the guards would check the chain. Every 2 weeks they would tighten the bolts. Several months after I arrived in the camp, they offered us water for showering, but always with the chain on. When I said I wouldn't take off my underwear, they beat me with an electric baton, and then I fell. They beat me and I was electrocuted. When I came to my senses, they took off my clothes, they searched me, made me bend down, tied my hands behind my neck. It was very painful.
Prisoners are forced to attend classes for up to 17 hours a day, where they are psychologically abused and subject to harsh physical punishments at the whim of their instructors.
During the class, there was a Han teacher who wrote Chinese characters on a board, and we just copied it without knowing what it was. That was it. We were not allowed to speak Uyghur in class. If you did speak a language other than Mandarin, you got punished. You were taken to a room with a tiger chair. I was taken twice.